After undergoing a triple bypass surgery, Melody Potter-Zimmerman enrolled in the Chronic Disease Management Workshop.
I want to be able to do more and to be able to manage myself instead of others managing me.
Patients living with diabetes, hypertension, arthritis, anxiety, or like Melody, who recently underwent surgery, can all benefit from the workshop.
The class focuses on the skills that you need to manage those illnesses, which are things like planning ahead, things like communication with your doctor, with your family, communication with yourself, being in touch with how you feel and then paying attention to that and responding to it.
The 6-week complimentary program educates participants about their chronic disease and teaches them how to manage their symptoms.
I'm feeling the best I have in years, and they're helping me to slow down because my heart's not ready to do everything that I want to do.
The class addresses how diet and exercise can also help manage their disease and help them feel better.
There's a lot of talk about diet, and we do a lot of meal planning. They like having new ideas. They like feeling positive and being in control of their health.
Each week, participants are given action plans to help them stay motivated and focused on improving their health.
It's a really good moment to know that it makes a difference at the end of the day when you see that their hypertension is being controlled. They know how to talk to their doctor. They're going to their follow-up appointments. It's amazing.
Combining education and support to help participants live their best life. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.